Hello everybody, hello my family. I welcome you to my YouTube. I will say thank you so much for clicking on this particular video, and I know you really love it and you are willing to learn. That is why you click on this video. So I will say thank you so much for clicking. Please, if you love this particular video, don't forget to like. If you don't understand anything, drop a comment and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright, so this episode of our video editing class, I'm going to show you or guide you on 2 ways that you can use the Wondershare Filmora video editor to edit or to create multiple videos. Okay, that is the split screen. All right, so let me take you to my Wondershare. So this is my Wondershare Filmora 10. Please, if you don't have the video editing software, a link is in the video description. Just go and click on the link there, or I will just drop it in the first comment section. Yes, I will pin it there. Just watch that particular video and it will guide you whatever that you need to follow in order for you to get the video editing software. So let's get started. Alright guys, so you're welcome. Okay, so we are going to use the sample videos to do that. So I'm going to show you the first step. These are the sample videos in Filmora 10. Alright, then let's go to the split screen. So this is the split screen that you see over here. We've spoken about the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and today we are talking about the split screen. Okay, so let's click on the split screen, and after clicking on the split screen, we have template over here. If you are using Filmora 9, you have it there. Okay, but we are using Filmora 10. Okay, and quick one, I'll just pick one. Okay, so I'll pick this one, just click it and drag it to the timeline as this, and here we go. So I'm just showing you the first step. So what you have to do is to go to the sample videos. Okay, and what you have to do is that you just have to click the video that you want, like the first one, you drag it and then you drop it in the first split screen. Okay, so you leave it there like this. You can even position it in order to suit what you really want. Okay, then what you have to do is to go to the second one, select the video that you want, just click and drag it and drop it to the second one. Here is it, and then you can position it just to suit your video to the position that you really want. And then let's move on to the second or the third video. Just click it and drag it to the over here, and there you go. So these are my 3 videos that I have in the split screen. You can even go ahead and expand the timeline by clicking on this. So you see these 2 arrows, just click it and then drag in order for you to expand the timeline. Okay, so let me play the video. Okay, so I'm playing the video for us to see how the split screen works. Okay, so let's play it. So this is it. So you see, yes, so this is our video. So this is the first step in the first step that you follow to use the split screen. Okay, so let's look at it. So let me delete all of these, and then let's use different split screen as well. Okay, so for example, let's use something like this. I really love this one. This is 4 split screen. So let's try get into the timeline, and this time around we are not going to do drag and drop. Okay, so what you have to do, once you drop it into the timeline, you see the advance here, click on the advance. Okay, and then it will take you to another setup like this. This is another setup. You can even try to expand it by clicking this just to enlarge it, so you have something like this, or better still, you can just leave it this way, anyhow you want it. Okay, so let me go to my project. Okay, and then I can bring in my sample videos, or you can even share your screen. You can bring in you can use colors, you can use pictures. It is not always videos. Okay, so let's use the sample videos for now. So let's use the sample videos, and as usual, what you have to do is that if you want the first one or any video that you want to start with, okay, and don't forget that this is my first, this is my second, third, and then fourth, and you can see they are all arranged here. Okay, So let me expand this by using this. Yeah, let me click on this maximum so that I will have a full screen like this. So you can see from my timeline over here that the videos are being arranged. Okay, so this is what you will do. So let's say I want to drop the video here. So once you click on the first one and then you select the video that you want to bring, you can even connect your Filmora to an internet, and then this arrow that you see, it means that you have not downloaded. You can double click it and it will be downloaded for you. So let's double click, let's get them downloaded, or better still, let's use the ones that we have downloaded already. So what you have to do is that you have to click it, drag it and drop it to the timeline like this. Okay, so this one is for the first video here. Okay, and then let's bring in another one, drop it, bring it to this one, or the second one, or even the first one. Okay, so let me bring this one down here and then we drop this one over here, and here we go. I have my video here. You can position it to any position that you think you want. Let me drop in this one, and then it's left with the last one, and also drop in here. So this is what I have. So you can play it for you to see if you like it. You can even arrange the timeline. You can shift this one here. You can bring this one to the size that you think, or to the place that you think is suitable for you. Okay, so when you are okay, when you are cool with it, just play it. Let's play it and have a look at it. Okay, so that's beautiful. So when you are done, go ahead and click on OK. That means we are done with it. So let's play it to have a look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so you can just use these two ways to use your split screen in your video editing. Alright, so please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, invite a friend to like, subscribe to this channel for more. My name is Edward Amahun. Let me see you in the next video. Bye.